Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tour of my room. Okay, first of all, let's start with my bookshelf. Wait, hang on. This is my bookshelf. Well, this is where I store my clothes and my books. And then I've got and then I've got my bed, and I've got my pictures, and then if I come this way, wait, hang on, then I've got my wall, and then I've got my view of the outside world, and then I've got my mirror, and then I've got lots of other stuff in my room. Oh, for instance, where I keep all my jewellery box down there, and then I've got my jewellery box, and then if you come down here, we've got, don't know if you can see it, but we've got some, wait, that's my drawers, excuse me, and then we've got these drawers where I keep jewellery. So yeah, thanks for watching, bye.